Good afternoon, welcome to Maths EAPCET crash course. So today in this session, first we will be discussing the remaining concepts and questions pertaining to what is that binomial theorem, and then we will be doing the revision of integration, be it indefinite integrals, definite integration, and also if possible we will be doing differential equation as well, which is there for your upcoming test. Fine. So let us start with what? Binomial theorem, the topic that is left over. Certain topics that are left over, let us discuss that now. So in the previous class, what are the concepts that we learned when it comes to binomial theorem? Middle terms, independent terms, numerically greatest term, greatest binomial coefficient is the middle term, and if the n value is even, the middle term, there will be only one middle term. If n value is what, odd, there will be how many middle terms? Two middle terms, correct? Now let us continue from there. Any doubts still there? So here you must be careful that you should know the concept of what? Combination, NCR formulas. Okay, based on that, if you solve the question, easily you can get the answers. And any question given, you should know that how to write the general term. You should know how to write the general term. Okay. Now we will learn the concept that is binomial theorem for rational index. Okay, binomial theorem for rational index. Rational index means what? Power. The power can be of rational index means it is of the form p by q. P by q, where q should not be equal to 0, but q can be equal to what? 1. Okay, q can be equal to what? 1. So write down for that binomial theorem for rational index. Please write down all of you. First thing is what we are having? 1 minus x to the power of minus n. Next we are having 1 plus x to the power of minus n. Then we are having 1 minus x to the power of minus p by q. Then 1 plus x to the power of minus p by q. And then we are having put on the AC for some time. Then 1 plus x to the power of p by q. This is the thing we are having. These are the questions. Now see here, if you understand how one formula is coming, you will be able to derive all the other formulas very easily. Now 1 minus x to the power of minus n, this is very important because directly from this they have asked two questions. Okay, directly from this formula they have asked two questions in one shift. Okay, so what is the formula for this? If you look at it, so here it will become 1 plus nx into n plus 1 into what is this, x square by 2 factorial. This should be x square. Next is what? N into n plus 1. What is that? We are having n plus 2 by 3 factorial. This is x cube. It goes on like this. Okay, up till infinity it goes on. Till where? Not the n term. It will go on till infinity. Okay, it will go on till infinity. Now what will happen to this formula? Then what will happen to this formula? Here what happens is same formula will come, but here minus is there, but here plus is there, means what happens is alternate signs. So plus minus it comes. So this will be what? 1 minus nx plus n into n plus 1 into x square by 2 factorial minus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into x cube by 3 factorial plus it goes on up till infinity. It goes on up till infinity. This is the formula. What is the formula that you definitely have to remember? This is the first one. What is it? This one is the formula you should definitely remember. You should remember this formula definitely. Okay, that is 3 factorial. This is 3 factorial. Now 1 minus x to the power of minus p by q. So this is 1 plus p into x by q. What happens to x by q is it goes on increasing, x by q square, x by q whole cube, like that. Okay, p will become what? P into p plus q, p into p plus q into x by q whole square by, this is square means here it will come what? 2 factorial. Then this will be what? P into p plus q into p plus 2 cube by, this is what, this is x by q whole cube by 3 factorial, plus it goes on up till infinity, it goes on up till infinity. Okay. Now what happens to this one? 1 plus x to the power of minus p by q is there. What will happen is, same formula you will write with what? Alternate plus and minus n. See here, plus, for plus you will get alternate, for minus you will get plus only. Why? Because to the power of minus n is there, it is not n, it is not n, don't get confused. If it is 1 plus x to the power of n, all will be positive. If it is 1 minus x to the power of n, it will be alternatively plus and minus. But here it is 1 minus x to the power of minus n, to the power of minus n is there. This is 1 plus x to the power of minus n. So 1 minus x to the power of minus n, minus minus, everything will be positive. This is what? Plus minus. So plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, it goes like that, you remember. Okay. Ritika, understood? Awake all of you? Okay, fine. Next, 1 plus x to the power of minus p by q, this will become what? 1 minus p times x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into, this is what? X by q whole square, this is minus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into, what is this? X by q whole cube plus up till infinity, plus up till infinity. Understood, Siri? Understood everyone? This one. Now this one, 1 plus x to the power of p by q is there. Okay, this you will write it as what? 1 plus p times x by q, p times x by q. Next you will write what? Plus p into, what you will write? P into p minus q you will write by 2 factorial into x by q whole square. Okay. Next is p into p minus q, p minus 2q into x by q whole cube divided by 3 factorial. Okay, up till infinity, up till infinity. So this one, if they ask out of this what is important, if you ask me, first one is highly important. Okay, second one you will get it easily. Okay, this one, these two are important, these two anyways you will get it easily. If you know this, you can get this, if you know this, you can get this. See what happens here is, p by q come means, see, instead of n here, if you put p by q, you will get the same value here. Okay, same formula, from this formula only all the other 4 formulas are derived. Okay, all the other 4 formulas are derived. Okay, just for the value of n you have to just substitute here, just substitute the values, you will get the answer. So here 1 minus x to the power of minus p by q, 1 plus x to the power of minus p by q, this will become what? 1 plus p into x by q square, x by q cube, this will become what? 2 factorial, this is 3 factorial, this is p will become what? It will increase by like AP, a plus d, a plus 2d, like that, p plus q, p plus 2q, p plus 3q, like that. Okay, it goes on. Okay, but when it comes to here, alternate negative sign and positive sign. Here what happens is, here it is plus p by q, here negative means we took plus, no? So here it is plus means we have to take negative. So p times x by q, next p into, what is this? P minus q, this is what? P into p minus 2q, it goes on like this. So this will become what? X by q whole square, x by q whole cube divided by, this is 2 factorial, 3 factorial, plus up to infinity. So first formula is highly important, and the third formula. Understood? Please write down, all of you, very important. Written? Understanding? Bhavani, Vaishnavi, Sahiti, Anusha, understanding? You both? Sharan, focusing? Okay. Now, based on this, if I take up a question like 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x, okay, 1 minus 2x to the power of minus 2 by 3, to the power of minus 2 by 3. Now this is of which form? 1 minus x power minus p by q form. So directly put the value, but x is what here? 2x, that's all. Okay, x is what here? 2x, and p by q is what? Minus 2 by 3. Correct, na? See, otherwise what you can do, you can apply this formula also. You can apply this formula also. Wherever n is there, we will put what? Minus 2 by 3. Okay, wherever x is there, we will put what? 2x, that's all. Okay, apply this formula. So this formula says what? See here, you can apply this formula easily. See, 1 plus nx. So I will write what? 1 plus n is what here? 2 by 3. Here it is not minus n. So here also minus n. If I compare this as 1 minus x to the power of minus n, here n is what? 2 by 3, x is what? 2x. So just put the values 1 plus n into x. See, everywhere it is plus only, negative should not come. So this will be what? 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3, what is that? Into 2x. Instead of x, what you should write? Into 2x. Okay, plus n into n plus 1. That is what? 2 by 3 plus 1 into what is that? X square. X square means what? 2 square, that is 4 into x square by 2 factorial. Correct na? Next, what will happen? N into n plus 1. 2 by 3 plus 1, 2 by 3 plus 2 into what is this? X cube means 2 cube is what? 8, x cube divided by 3 factorial, it goes on. This you can further simplify, that's all. This you can further simplify. How to simplify this? See here, we can write it as what? This will become 1 plus what is this? 4 by 3x. Correct na? 1 plus 4 by 3x plus 2 plus 3, this is what? 5 by 3 into 2 by 3. 5 by 3 into 2 by 3 is what? 10 by 3. 10 by 3 into 2 is what?
10 by 9, sir.
What is this? Okay, 10 by 9. Okay, here what is there? 2 factorial, here 4 is there. I can cancel what? 2 and this I can cancel. Okay, so this will become what? See, this is what? This is 10. What is this? This is 10 by 3. 10 by 3 into what is this? 2. So 20 by 3. 20 by 9. Okay, 20 by 9. So 20 by 9 into x square plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 1 is what? 5 by 3. This is what? 6 plus 8 by 3. This is what? 8 by 3 na? 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. So we are having 5 by 3 into 8 by 3 into what is this? 2 by 3. So we will get what? 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40, or you can take what? This will be 3 into, what is this? 3 into 2. This will be what? In the top you will be having 8. Okay, in the top you will be having 8, and here what is there? 5 by 3, 8 by 3 and 2 by 3. So this will give us what? So 5 8s are 40, 42s are 80. Okay, 80 by what is this? Or you can cancel 2. Okay, so this will get what? 5 8s are 40, 40 into 8 is what? 320. 320 by what? 3 power 4. 320 by 81. Correct na? 320 by, this is what? 3 will go up here. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. What is this we are having? X cube. It goes on like this. Okay, further you can simplify this or not, you will see. That's all. Understood? Like this, using the formula you will be able to write. So just remember the first formula. You will be able to get the answer. Clear? Clear how to use this formula? Now a special case of this we will see. Special case related to this. Any doubt here? Forget about the values, forget about the calculation. You know how to apply the formula, right? That's enough. You should remember what formulas, these two formulas, most importantly this one. Others you can derive from there. Now see here, binomial theorem for rational index, that is what we did already. Now see here, the special case, 1 minus x to the power of minus n. Minus 1 means the n value is what? 1 here. So the value will be, everywhere it is positive, n value is 1 means it will become what? 1 plus x, x square, x cube. Okay, it will go on up till x to the power of 4 up till infinity. Okay, up till infinity. This is r term, we will take it. Actually this is what? R plus 1 term. R plus 1 term. So understood? If it is 1 minus x to the power of minus 1, see, this is what? This is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x. 1 by 1 minus x, we will write it like this. So whenever you get the expansion, that is 1 by 1 minus x, you can write it as what? 1 plus x, x square, x cube, x power 4 up till infinity. Sum of, in terms of sum of terms up to what? Infinity you can write it. Okay, sum of GP up till infinity you can write it. This is what you can write it. Now 1 plus x to the power of minus 1. 1 plus x to the power of minus 1, what you will write? Alternate signs you will write plus or minus for the same thing. Like the previous formula itself, you will write what? 1 plus x to the power of minus n, what you should write? Same thing you used to copy, you write alternate sign, plus or minus, plus or minus. Now 1 minus x to the power of minus 2. 1 minus x to the power of minus 2, how this is coming? This is nothing but what? You are differentiating this. If you differentiate this, you will get this one. If you differentiate this, you will get this one. How? If I differentiate this, this is what? 1 minus x to the power of minus 1. If I differentiate, what I will get? Minus 2 into what? Minus 1 minus x. What is this? This is nothing but what? Differential of x is what? Minus 1. Here minus 1 is there, no? Chain rule, minus 1. So, this will become plus. So, this will become 2, and if I differentiate whatever is here, this will become 0. This will be what? Plus 1 plus, this is what? 2x plus 3x square, correct na? 3x square, 4x cube, it goes on. So, R means it will go on like this up till infinity. It will go on up till infinity. Clear? So, this will become what? 2 into 2 by what is this? X 1 minus x. 2 by 1 minus x, I can write it as what? 1 minus x. This is what? If I bring it down. If I bring it down, this will be what? This will be actually, if I differentiate, this will be minus, no? 1. This will be what? Minus 2. What? That is what I got it. Correct na? N minus 1. That is what? 1 minus 1. Minus 1 is what? Minus 2. So, we got it here, differentiating. If you differentiate this, you will get it. Okay, and if you differentiate this, you will get this one. If you differentiate this one, you will get this one. First, if you differentiate, you will get third. Second, if you differentiate, you will get what? This one. Okay, and if you differentiate this further, you will get this one. How? See, if I differentiate this, what I will have? Minus 2 into 1 minus x. What is this? Minus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 3. But differential of minus x is what? Minus 1. So, this will become plus 2. This will be what? This will be what? What is the differentiation of this? What is the differentiation of this? 2. This will be what? 6x. This will be 4x cube, 12x square. Okay, it goes on like this. Now, if I take 2 outside, this will become what? 2 into what is this? 1 plus 3x plus 6x square. It goes on like this. Now, here 2 is there. Correct na? 2 into 1 minus x to the power of minus 3. 2 and 2 I can cancel. I will get the formula. That's it. Understood, everyone? Clear with this? This is very important. Binomial theorem, it is a little dry topic, but you have to remember many things here. Certain formulas you have to remember so that you get the answer easily. Okay, written? All of you? Okay. Write down. Akshay, understanding? Ritika, Sahiti, Vaishnavi, Gayatri, understanding? Okay, you are also understanding? Okay. Sai Nishit, getting it? Okay. Okay, next the concept that we are having, sum of rational and irrational terms. Sum of rational terms or irrational terms. Here they can also ask number of, what you want to write? What happened? So, this will become what? Sum of rational terms, or it is also called as number of rational terms or irrational terms, that also they can ask. Okay, one thing is sum, another one is they can ask is number of sum or number of rational or irrational terms. Number of rational or irrational terms they can ask. Okay. So, for this let us take one example. Suppose we take 2 power 1 by 2 plus 3 power 1 by 2 to the power of 8. To the power of 8 I will take it. Okay, 2 power 1 by 2 plus 3 power 1 by 2 to the power of 8 I will take it. Okay. Now, I have to find the rational terms, irrational terms. How many rational terms are there? How many irrational terms are there? What is their sum? Okay, this I have to find out. So, what should be my first step? First step should be what? I told in the previous class. What should be my first step? See, whatever question they are giving, first step is what you will do? Find the general term. Always find the general term. General term for this equation. That is what? See, general term you have to write down. General term, this is a which form? X plus y, right? There is no 1 here. X plus y, see, for x plus y to the power of n, what is the general term? We will write it tr plus 1 is equal to what? ncr x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of r. Correct na Harsha? This is what we will write. Nishit, Rohan, this is what we will write. So same thing for this, if I write the general term, this will become what? tr plus 1 will be equal to ncr. This is what? 8c. 8c, r is what here? We don't know, write r only. Okay, 8cr. What is this? X is this one. So we will write as what? 2 power 1 by 2 to the power of 8 minus r. 8 minus r. Okay, y is what here? 3 power 1 by 2 to the power of r means this is what? R itself. R itself. Now, further what we can do? 8cr into, if I multiply this, this will become what? 4 minus, what will this one? 2 to the power of 4 minus r by 2. This will become what? 3 to the power of r by 2. 3 to the power of r by 2. Correct na? 3 to the power of r by 2 we are having. Correct? 3 to the power of r by 2 we are having. Now 8cr is there. Now what should be the value of r? What should be the value of r? Think about it. Just give a thought. What should be the value of r? See, what should be the value of r? See here, observe all of you. Here if you look at this one, see here the powers. 4 minus r by 2 is given. This one let us write it as it is. See here 4 minus r by 2 comma r by 2 is given. Now first of all, if you know what the value the r can take, see the value of r should definitely be greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 8 here. Correct na? Should less than or equal to 8. That means r should belong to what? Natural number. Correct na? R should belong to natural number. Correct? R should belong to natural number, or you can say r can belong to whole number. You can better say r belongs to whole number because 0 also can be included. R can be 0 but r cannot be negative. R cannot take fractional value or decimal value. I told you in the previous class. So as per this, if I take the value of this, okay, I should get a proper value. That is, I should not get here, if r value if I take, okay, if I take 1, 4 minus 1 by 2 I will get. If I take 1, 1 by 2 I will get. Then I will not get rational terms. I will not get rational terms. Here I am finding rational terms. So anything that should be divided by 2 means that should definitely be an even number. So you can include 0 also. That should definitely be an even number. So what are the possible values of r? R can be any of these. R can be 0, 2, 4, 6 or even 8 because r can be equal to 8. So if you put any of the values for this, you will definitely get, what is that? Rational terms. You will definitely get rational terms. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So if you put the value of this, what you will get the value of? Suppose I put 0, I will get what? What I will get? 4 here. Here I will get what? 0. So this will become 2 power 4. Okay, this will become 8c3. I will get some value here. If I put 2, I will get some value. Okay, definitely rational value I will get it. Okay, definitely rational value I will get it, not irrational value. Correct? So how many values are there then? Rational values? 5. 5 are there. Correct na? Total how many values are there? 5. So rational values will be 5. Rational values will be 5. Now my question is, if rational values are 5, irrational will be how much? If rational values are 5, irrational values will be how much? This is my question. See, first of all tell me, in this expansion how many terms are there? 9. So expansion has how many terms? 8 plus 1 terms. Okay, 8 plus 1 terms. That is what? 9 terms. In 9 terms, 5 are rational means remaining are how many? 4 are irrational. 4 are irrational, that's all. They will ask number of rational terms and number of irrational terms how many? Or they can ask sum of the number of rational and irrational. That is what? 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. Otherwise, if they ask sum of rational and irrational terms, if they ask, okay, sum of rational and irrational terms, sum of the number of, see, sum of number of rational, number of irrational. If they ask number of rational plus number of irrational, that is what you have to wake up. 5 plus 4 will become what? 9. So that time in that question you don't even have to solve. Why? Because rational plus irrational will be equal to what? Number of terms. That is nothing but equal to what? N plus 1. N plus 1. See, if they ask a question, find the sum of n of rational plus n of irrational. That is nothing but equal to what? That is nothing but equal to number of terms, n plus 1. N plus 1. This value, whatever power is given, 8 plus 1, that gives the, that is nothing but that gives the number of terms. Correct na? That gives the number of terms. At that time you don't even have to solve, don't even have to pick up the pen, just go to answer. That is what? Whatever power is given, add 1, that will be the number of sum of rational and irrational terms. Clear? Understood? But when they say, next thing, sum of the rational terms, not number of terms. What I told now is number of rational, number of irrational. See, number of rational, number of irrational. Suppose this is A, this is B, that sum is what? A plus B. But if I ask within these 5 terms, if you add all the 5 terms, what is the sum? That time what you should do? For all of this, you should have to put the value, you will get the value of 5. 5 rational values, you will get it. All those you have to add it. It is a lengthy process that will take, that is there, but usually they won't ask that. They will ask what? Number of rational, number of irrational. Some if they ask what to do, just put these values. First 0, then 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Whatever the values you get, all of that you add it. What you should do, whatever values you get, all of that you add it. That is the known as sum of rational terms. Okay. So remaining terms, you will get what? Irrational. Okay. Usually they will ask what? Number of rational, number of irrational. This is how you have to find out. Okay. Clear? Next thing. Let us take some example. Or we will go directly to multinomial theorem. Okay. Sometimes they do ask even multinomial theorem, especially trinomial theorem. Okay. So trinomial theorem, multinomial theorem if they give, that is, till now we saw what the questions or concepts was based on binomial theorem, that is there are 2 variables. If there are more than 2, that is called as multinomial. So one of the what variation in that is what? That is multinomial is what? Binomial is over. One of the variation in multinomial is what? Trinomial theorem. So suppose if they give something like x plus, you have to write this down, x plus y plus z to the power of n, x plus y to the plus z to the power of n. No need to learn the what? Expansion. You have to know the general term. You have to know what? The general term. The general term is given by, you can write it as t of trinomial means let me write it as t of t. T of t means what? T of trinomial. You can write it as what? N factorial by what is it? P factorial into Q factorial into R factorial into x power P, okay, y power Q into z power R, okay, where P plus Q plus R is equal to n. So this is the thing you have to remember. Trinomial general term, let me write it like this. TGL, write it general term. Okay, clear? So trinomial means what? 3 variables will be there to the power of n. They will not ask the expansion. General term they will ask. General term is given by what? T of general I have written n factorial divided by P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial into x to the power of correspondingly x to the power of P, y to the power of Q and z to the power of R. What are this XPQ, I mean PQR? PQR are what? The condition is given like P plus Q plus R is equal to what? N. Okay, this you have to remember. P plus Q plus R is equal to N. You will get a question definitely from trinomial also. Okay, although the concept is what? Binomial theorem in the syllabus, trinomial also is mentioned. So in multinomial, trinomial definitely they will ask a question. So you should know this general term, you will be able to solve one question. Clear? So how the question will come in trinomial or multinomial theorem? Okay, let us take up a question for this. Please write this general term. See, here the formula is given in a different way. Don't worry about that. Remember this formula, it is easy for you. Okay. Then, if it is given, example if you take, it is given x plus 2y plus 3z to the power of 10. Okay. They are asking find the coefficient. Please focus on the class. Find the coefficient find the coefficient of x square y power 5 and z cube. X square y power 5 and z cube. Find the coefficient of this they are asking. X square y power 5 and z cube. This is what they are asking. Try this question. Think for 2 minutes. Try this question. It's fairly simple. Think of it. Just try by yourself. I'll just see. Correct? Please check once again. What you are thinking, that is correct, but check once again. Six by వస్తుందా? P plus Q plus R. N అంటే P plus Q plus R. But P already ఇచ్చేసాం కదా, N already ఇచ్చాం కదా. What you are telling is correct. That only 2 plus 5 plus 3, that is 10 only. That is given already. So you have to find the coefficient. How to find? 10 factorial by? Then? అదే నువ్వు చేసావా? So please think correctly. See, what you are thinking is correct, but something you are missing. What coefficient? చెప్పండి. అదే రాసుకోవాలి, అదే చెప్పాలి కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్. సి వాట్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ x square y power 5 z power 3. So what I can do here, this I will take it as what? X power p means this is, let me take it as p, this will be q, this will be r. The formula says what? N factorial. N factorial means directly write 10 factorial. Okay, directly write 10 factorial divided by what is this? 2 factorial, 5 factorial into 3 factorial, and they are telling in the formula x power p. X is what here? X only. X power, what is this? P means what? 2. And y means here not just y, it is 2y. 2y to the power of what? 5. Okay, 2y to the power of what? 5. I can write it as what? This one, 2 power 5. 2 power 5, I'll write it here, into what is this? Y power 5. Y power 5. And what is this? 3z. 3z to the power of r. R is what here? 3. So I'll write what? 3 cube here. This is r. This is what? Z cube. Correct na? Z cube. Now this is the answer. Okay, you forgot this 2 power 5, 3 power 3. This you should not forget. See, what you are telling most of you in the beginning, 10 factorial by 2 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 factorial is correct. But this coefficient, that also is raised to the power. 2 power 5, 3 power 3. That also is included. I'll write it here finally. You will get as what? 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 factorial by 3 factorial into what is this? 2 power 5 into 3 cube into what you will get? X square y power 5 z cube. This you will get. This will not be in the answer. This will only be in the option. This you should go for the option. That's all. Because you are finding the coefficient of this, that is what you got here. Okay. So please be careful. If minus is there, minus 2 to the power of 5. So this will become what? Minus 2 to the power of 5. Like that. So please be careful. You should not leave these coefficients also. Understood how to find this one? Okay. So some variant of this we will write down. Write down this if you are writing it down. So in the equation I wrote here, what is that? In the expression, x plus 2y plus 3z plus 10, how many terms are there? How many terms are there here? Hey, expression 11 terms is correct. N plus 1 is correct. Now I will write one more expression. Let us take up this expression. 1 plus x square to the power of 10, or if I take 1 plus x square plus x cube to the power of 10. Okay. Now tell me, please focus all of you. Here how many terms are there? Number of terms? 11. No, see, that much you don't think. Whatever you are thinking is correct. See, suppose I write 1 plus, okay, what is this? X plus 2x or something like this. Okay, something like this to the x plus, this is what, to the power of 2y to the power of 10. Here highest power is what? Highest power is what here inside? 1. 1 into 10 is what? See, 1 into 10 plus 1. So the number of terms will be 11. Here highest power is what? For this is applicable only for what? Trinomial. Don't go for binomial. Binomial, you know, it is just n plus 1. So trinomial, this highest power is what? So 2 into 10 is what? 20 plus 1 is what? 21. This will be what? 21. This is what? 2n plus 1. Look at this one. Highest power is what? 3. 3 into 10 is what? 30. 31. Understood not? Like this also they can ask a question. Very simple question they can ask. Okay. There are various formulas, n into n plus 1, all these things. Don't do that. Remember like this, highest power into this plus 1. That's all. Understood na? If they give 100 term to the x to the power of 100 also, you will be able to solve. 100 into the power plus 1. Okay. 100 into the power plus 1. That's all. Okay. You will be able to get what? Number of terms. Number of terms you will be able to get it. Now for this question itself, okay, let us take this 1 plus x square to the power of 10 to the power of 10. This one, suppose I write it like this. Suppose I write it like this: a naught a1x a2 x square a3 x cube up to a20 x to the power of 20 x to the power of 20. Okay, x to the power of 20. Just a minute. Okay, x to the power of 20. Then first thing what we can do is, you can write a naught plus a1 plus a2 up to a to the power of 20. Okay, this is equal to what? You have to tell me. Then a naught minus a1 plus a2 minus this is what? Plus a20 is equal to what? You have to tell me. Third one, a1 plus 2a2 plus 3a3 plus 20 a20 is equal to what? You have to tell me. So please tell me the value of this. So this is in trinomial, you can write it like this: a naught a1x a2x square a3x cube up till a20 x power 10 20, like that. Okay. Why I am writing a20 x power 20? There are 21 terms. 21 terms. So I have to write till there. So 21 terms means I should write till what? a20 x power 20. 21 terms means doesn't mean that x power 21 will be there, because first term is what? This is what? This is not having x. First term doesn't have x. So 21 terms means the highest power will be x power 20 in the expansion. X power 20. 31 terms means in the expansion highest power will be x power 30. X power 30, and you will have till a30. Understood? Now I have written like this. Why I have written like this? So you have to put what? Very good. That what I should put here, I have to put x is equal to 1. Here I have to put x is equal to 1. If I put x is equal to 1, this will become what? 1 plus 1 plus 1, this will become what? 3 power 10. 3 power 10, correct? Now here I have to put what? X is equal to, already you know, minus 1. If I put x is equal to 1 minus 1, this will become 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 square is 1, 1 power 10, 1 power 10 is nothing but 1. Okay, 1 power 10 is nothing but 1. What we have to do for this? Yeah, you are correct, you tell me once you are correct. So first what we should do here? Gayatri, what we should do? Huh? Loud, what you are telling? Differentiate, Siri, correct? Now we have to differentiate. So if you differentiate, you will get it like this, and then put the value of x is equal to what? 1. If it is coming plus minus, put the value of x is equal to what? Minus 1. So differentiate this. Okay. So if I differentiate this one, then only I should put the value here. If I am differentiating RHS, LHS also I have to differentiate. So if I differentiate, what I will get? This one? 10 into 1 plus x into x square to the 10 minus 1 is what? 9. This will be what? 1 plus or 2x plus 1. Now if I put the value of x is equal to what? 1. So this will be what? 3 power 9 into what is this? Into 3. 10 into 3 power 10. Correct na? 10 into 3 power 10. So the answer will be what here? 10 into 3 power 10. Correct no? Differentiate this and put the value of 1. That's all. Clear? That is how you will get these formulas. Clear? When you see a question like this, first thing try to put x is equal to 1. If it is coming plus minus, put what? X is equal to minus 1. But still you are not able to figure out, differentiate it. Differentiate it and put x is equal to 1. Okay, still if you are not getting it, do double differentiation and put x is equal to 1. But while doing it, in the RHS also you should do it, same thing. RHS if you are doing, LHS also you have to do the same thing, that will be in the answer. Understood na? Why we are doing, why I am doing all this? If you see certain things, such same thing in the question, what you should do? Put x is equal to 1 or put x is equal to minus 1. Everything plus come means what you should do, Akshay? X is equal to 1. Plus and minus come, x is equal to minus 1. Everything plus, but you are getting some other value, what you should do? Differentiate and put x is equal to 1. Plus minus, but you are not getting directly, differentiate and put x is equal to minus 1. Understood everyone? Sahiti, Ritika? Understood Harsha? Clear? Sharan, focusing? Rohan, understanding? Neha, getting it? Please watch the previous classes which you have missed. Okay. Next thing. Next thing, write down fast. Okay, let us others also write. All are not speed. There are people like me who are slow. Let them write. Madam, you are fast, I know. Okay. Next we will go to PYQs. So look at this question, all of you. Before this we will go to this question. Please look at this question, all of you. They have given mod x less than 1, forget about that. Then the number of terms in the expansion, number of terms they are asking. It is given minus 25. What is the power? So directly you cannot solve. If it is to the power of n, you can write n plus 1. And it is what? Just not binomial or something. It is given like this. Okay, binomial only, but they have given it in a different way. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 into 3x into 3 into 4x square up to infinity is given. Whenever they give up to infinity, you should something should strike in your mind. What is that? 1 minus x to the power of minus n, or 1 minus x to the power of minus p by q, or 1 plus x to the power of minus n or minus p by q. But 1 plus x come means it should come what? Alternative plus and minus. 1 plus x come means alternative plus and minus. But here alternative plus and minus is not there, only plus. So it will be 1 minus something. It will be 1 minus something. So here x is there means you can take it as what? 1 minus. You can take it as what? 1 minus x whole power of minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. So what will do with this one? 1 minus x to the power of minus 1. So you can write this as what? 1 by 1 minus x. 1 by 1 minus x. So 1 minus x, you will write it like this means. So if it is coming like this, definitely we have to do what? Double differentiation. See, coming 2, 3, 3, 4. Like this it is coming means definitely we have to do what? Double differentiation. First you write the expression for this. 1 minus x means what you will write? 1 plus x plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4, it goes on, correct now? It goes on up till infinity, correct now? So differentiate this on both sides. If I differentiate, 1 by x differentiation is what? Minus 1 by x, very good, minus 1 by x. So this will become what? Minus 1 by x, minus 1 by minus x. But differentiation of minus x is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 is plus 1. So this is the differentiation of this. Understanding what I am doing? Okay. This will become square. So this will become square, correct. So this will become minus 1 will, minus into minus will become plus. So this will become 1 by 1 minus x whole square. If I take it up, this will become what? 1 minus x to the power of minus 2. This will become what? 1 plus, this will become 0. This will become 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube. But here again 2 is coming, correct na? 2 is there. Okay. So what we should do? We should differentiate this again. If I differentiate this again, what I will get? Minus 2 into what is this? 1 minus x to the power of minus 3, and differentiation of minus x is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 plus 1. So again differentiate this. This will become what? What is this? 1 is there, no? This will become 2 plus 2 into 3x plus what is this? 3 into 4 x square, like this it goes on. Okay. Let us keep it till here. Now what we will do? Here 2 is there, but here what they have given? 1 by 2 of this. 1 by 2 of this. So what I can do? This into 1 by 2 of this. 1 by 2 of this if I do, okay, NEET students are also coming, no problem. 1 by 2 of this if I do, what I can do? This 1 by 2, here also I should divide by 2, here also I should divide by 2. See, 1 by 2 of this means, see, 1 by 2 of this is what? 1 by 2 of this is what they have given here. Correct na? 2 means what? I can write 1 into 2. See here. Here I have got 2. Here I have got 2. So we can write what? We can write what? See here. 1 into 2. This is what? I can divide by 2, because here what is given? 1 by 2 times. If I write 1 by 2, here 2 is there already. Here also I should do what? 1 by 2. Both the sides divide by 2. This 2 cancels. I will get this value RHS. That is what we want here. But x value is there here. So this is what? 1 minus x to the power of minus 3. But here it is given to the power of minus 25. So 1 minus x to the power of minus 3 to the power of minus 25. 25 into 3 is what? They went, otherwise I would have asked them. So 25 into 3. Okay, 25 into 3 is what? 75. But minus into minus is what? Plus. So 1 minus x to the power of 75. Here n is what? 75. So here it should be 75. So okay. So n is what? The number of terms is what? N plus 1. What is the answer? 76. Understood? Clear? Understood? Please write down all of you. Write this down. It is important. Write down the question. Solution you can do it by yourself later. Understood na? How we are applying? See, here I have to explain to you, so I am writing. Otherwise, in 2 steps you will be able to get the answer. How you will get? By practice. Okay. What happened? ఏమన్నారు? రిపీట్ చేస్తారా? ఓకే. సో అలవాటు అయిపోయింది, నేనేం చెప్తానని. The last batch also, they used to repeat certain words which I repeat. That I have avoided now. I used to say certain things for competitive exam that is not required. Okay. That and all not required I used to say. So they used to write that and all not required. And they had even written what? Picture of mine also in class. Anyways, fine. What man? Looking time at time, where you want to go? Mumbai? Huh? Okay na ma'am? మరి ఎలా అడిగితే అలా. అక్కడ కూర్చుంటే ఎలా కనిపిస్తుంది? కూర్చోవచ్చు కదా, ప్లేస్ ఉంది కదా. చెప్పండి మీరు. చెప్పండి అక్షయ, కూర్చోండి ఇక్కడ. Why? If you sit here, Navneeta is disturbing or what? Navneeta is very quiet girl. She won't disturb. Okay. అక్కడ వెళ్తే మళ్ళీ అక్కడ కనిపించదు అని చెప్పకూడదు, ఇక్కడ వినాలి అంతే. ఓకే. కెన్ వి గో టు నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? This question try all of you. 2024 AP they asked. నిద్ర వస్తుందా ఎవరు మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్లో నిద్ర వస్తుందా ఓకే చూసుకుంటాను ఎవరికి నిద్ర వస్తుంది చెప్పండి శ్రవంతి శ్రావణి గాయత్రియా ఓకే నిద్ర వస్తుందా ఓకే ఓకే నిద్ర వస్తుందంట చూసుకుంటాం చేస్తాను ఓకే ఓకే x power 4 by x plus 1 x minus 2 చెప్పాను ఛాయ్ అని అంతే ఛాయ్ చెప్పండి అన్నారు ఛాయ్ చెప్పాను అంతే ఓకే డూ ఇట్ హౌ టు డూ దిస్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x square in the power series expansion of x power 4 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 is what? The coefficient of x square they are asking, these the terms that they are given. Okay, so x power 4 is given. Now see here, x power 4 is given by x plus 1 into x minus 2. Now what I can do? X power 4 into x plus 1 to the power of minus 1 and x minus 2 to the power of minus 1. Correct. Now x plus 1 to the power of minus 1 is what? That is nothing but 1 plus x to the power of minus n. So 1 plus x to the power of minus n is what? X power 4 into what I can write this as? 1 plus 1 minus x plus what is that I should write? Plus x square. Correct na? Minus x cube plus x power 4. It will go on up till infinity. Correct na? Then what about this one? X minus 2. X minus 2 is given. X minus 2 is given. What you will do? X common. Huh? What you will take? Instead of x, what you will write? 2x. 2 common? Okay, you can take 2 common also, no, doesn't matter. Okay, but still that is not required at all still. Why? See here. Okay, what is happening? X minus 2 is given. How you will write the expansion of x minus 2? Anyways, it may be required in some other question. What you will write the expansion of x minus 2? What you will do? See, like you told, 2 you take it outside. 2 you take it outside, this will become what? If I take 2 outside, so this will become what? 2, what is this? 2 to the power of minus 1. This will become what? X by 2 minus 1. So 1 minus x by 2, or if I take minus outside, this will become what? Along with minus, if I take it outside, this will become what? 1 minus x by 2 whole to the power of minus 1. So this will become what? 1 minus 1 by 2, this will become, I will write here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 inverse, it will come down. This will become what? Minus, what this is what? 1 plus x by 2 plus x square by 4 plus x cube by, drink water, x cube by, what is this? 2 to the power of, this is what? 8. Like this it goes on. Correct now? It goes on. Now, if I multiply this one, least coefficient, least x into this x gives me what? X square. Okay. Whatever you multiply, the least value of power of x is what here? On multiplying everything, what you will have? Outside x power 4 is there. X power 4 into 1 is what? X power 4. X power 4 into 1 is what? X power 4. X power 4 into x is what? X power 5, x power 6, x power 7, x power 8. It will go on increasing from x power 4. Will you get x square here at any cost? Definitely x square you will not get at all. Then what about the coefficient? That will not exist at all. So the answer is 0. See, x power 4 is there. If you multiply with 1, x power 4 only will be there. Here x power 5, x power 6, 7, x power 8. And this one you have to multiply with this one also. So x power 8 into x power 8 is what? X power 16. So x power 4 into x power 4 is what? X power 8. So you will never have x square here. They are asking the coefficient of x square, not x power 4. So the answer will be what? 0. Understood? You will never have x power square. That is x square, you will not have the what? Term itself. The term x square itself will never exist. So the answer will be what? 0. Understood everyone? Clear? The answer will be 0 here. So make a note of it. writing it. So such questions come means what? Directly you can write the answer. See, x power 4 is there, you have to do it once. What x power 2, that is x square will never exist. The term will never exist. So you cannot get the coefficient of that. So similar theme repeats. No need to solve. You have to go with that. The answer is 0. Clear? Next one. Look at this. They have given if 2 minus 5x to the power of minus 1 by 5 is given. Okay, they are asking what? They are asking is equal to a0 a1x a2x square, then a1 by a2 they are asking. They are asking what? a1 by a2. So first we have to write the expansion for this. So how to write the expansion for this? This is of which form? We will take what? 2 common. We will take 2. This will become what? 2 power minus 1 by 5. This will become what? 1 minus 5 by 2 x power minus 1 by 5. Okay. So this is of which form? This is of 1 minus x to the power of minus p by q. Minus p by q. Okay. First write it in the form of what? 1 minus x to the power of what you will write? To the power of minus n form only you write it. You will still get the answer. Okay. Or you can write it if you know the formula you can write it as it is. So 2 power 1 minus 1 by 5 into what is this we are having? Into 1 plus, what is that? 1 plus p into, p is what here? P is what? P by q is, p is what here? 1. 1 into, what is that? X by q. X by q is what? X by 5. X by 5 into what is that? P. That's all, x by 5. Next is what? Plus p into p plus q. Okay, p into p plus q is what here? See, p is what? 1. P into p plus q is 1 plus 5, 6. Okay, x by 5 whole square. Correct na? X by 5 whole square. P into p plus q into x by 5 whole square divided by 2 factorial. 2 I will write it. Next, we are having what? P into p plus q into p plus 2q. Okay, p into p plus q is what? 6. P plus 2q. That is what? 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 into x by 5. What is this? Whole cube. Okay, whole cube. 5x by 2, no? X ante 5x by 2. Okay, we will check it. We have to take what? 5x by 2. 5x by 2. This will be what? 5x by 2. This will become what? 5x by 2 into what is this? 5x by 2. This is what? X by q means this will become what? 10 I can write it. Correct na? So this will become 10. This will become 5x by what is this? 10. Correct? This will become 5x by 10 whole square. This will be what? 5x by 10 whole cube. That's all. So this is what? This is a0. This is a0, right? This is a1. This is what? a2. Okay, let us simplify this. This is what? 5 by 10 is a1. This is what? 6 by 2 into what is this? 5 square by 10 square. That is a2. Correct? Let us write the values directly. This is what? a1 by a2. Correct na? They are asking a1 by a2. So definitely in this formula, what else is there? We have to consider this also, 2 power minus 1 by 5. So this is what? Into 2 power minus 1 by 5. This is also 2 power minus 1 by 5. We are having fifth root. Okay. So what to do with this? Let us see. What will happen if you divide this by this? 2 power minus 1 by 5, 2 power 1 minus 1 by cancels. So a1 is what? 5 by 10 into what is this? 2 power minus 1 by 5. I am writing for your reference. This will become what? This is 6 by 2 into 5 square by 10 square. Okay, into 2 power minus 1 by 5. So 2 power minus, you have to please focus on the class, not speak among yourself. This I can cancel. So 5 by 2, 5 by 10, 5 by 10 I can cancel here. So this I will be left with what? a1 by a2 will be equal to 6 by, this will be what? See here, 1 by 6 by 2 is 3 into 5 by 10. So 10 will go up. a1 by a2 will be equal to what? 10 by 3 into 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this will be what? 2 by 3. a1 by a2 will be equal to what? 2 by 3. So the answer is what? 2 by 3, fourth option. See, it will take 1 minute, 1.5 minutes sometimes to solve the questions on binomial theorem, but that's okay. Easily you will get the answer. But you should be careful with plus and minus, what is you are taking x, all these things. Understood? The value is what? 2 by 3. Got it? Easy, no? So based on the concepts what we have done, they have asked the question. Clear? Easy? Got it? పోతుగంటి టోనీ సార్ డైలీ క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయా? డైలీ క్లాసెస్ ఉంటుంది సార్. తెలుగు ఈజ్ గుడ్. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా? నా తెలుగు మంచిదా? తెలీదు. ఓకే. This question, please try all of you. They are telling x minus 2y plus 3z to the power of 6. I don't know till where I will take class. So don't think that the class will end soon. We will be taking. Okay. So x minus 2y plus 3z to the power of 6. X minus 2y. చాయ్ ఇస్తారు కదా, అప్పుడు పంపిస్తాను. డోంట్ వరీ. ఫిజిక్స్ వాళ్ళకు ఉంటుంది, మీకు క్లాస్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఎవరు మీకు మ్యాథ్స్కి ఇష్టంతో మ్యాథ్స్లో ఉండండి, ఫిజిక్స్ కావాలంటే ఫిజిక్స్కి వెళ్ళండి, మీ ఇష్టం. ఓకే, మీ ఇష్టం, నాకేం లేదు. ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ xy square z cube in the expansion of, not like that. You can watch the class tomorrow also, don't worry, but you watch the live class now here. What happened? ఎవరు ఇస్తాం మ్యామ్, listen to the class. So solve this question. The coefficient of xy square z cube in the expansion of x minus 2y plus 3z to the power of 6. 3z to the power of 6. Okay. So this is what? Trinomial. What is the formula we'll apply? So general term Tg is equal to what? N factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial, x power p. What is that? Y power q. What is that? Z power r. Okay. Now here p is what? P is 1, q is 2, z is what? 3. Fourth option. Z is what? 3. Correct. N is what here? 6. So 6 factorial by p. What is that? 1 in 1 factorial 1, q factorial is 2. Into 3 factorial is what? 3 factorial, write it like this. Then what is this? Into what you have to write? xyz 1 factorial minus 2 to the power of, what is this? Minus 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 3. Correct na? So this will become what? xy square z cube. Now see here 2 square. So 6 factorial is what? 6 into what you can write it? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, just wait, 2 into 3 into 2, this is what? 2 square is 4 and 3 square I can write it as, 3 cube I can write it as 27. Okay, this what will happen? 2 cancels, 3 cancels. What happens to this? 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now 6 5s are 30. Okay, 32s are 60, 64s are 240. 240 into 27. Okay. So what you will do? 24 7s is how much? 24 6s is how much? 144. Correct na? 24 7s is how much? 171. Okay. 171. 24 2s is what? 48. 48 plus 17 is what? Something is missing. Let us check again. So 240 into 27, right? 27 into 240. Let me write 0 here. This will be what? 4 into 27 is how much? 81. 27 into 4 is how much? Not 81. This is what? 4 7s are 28. 4 2s are 8. 108. This is 54. 805 6480. First option. 6480 first option is the right answer. 6480 first option is the right answer. Understood? So you need to know to find squares of any numbers. How to find squares of any numbers? Suppose I say 26 square. 26 square, not in the calculator. Don't say I will open the calculator and find. I am asking how to find out. Last digit? Here. I am not asking last digit, I am asking square. So see here how to find 26 square. Listen, 26 square if you have to find. First number is what? Write it as a double digit. 2 square is what? 4. You can write it as 0, 4. 6 square is what? 36. Write it like this. Below this, what we are having here? 6 is there. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12. Then 12 2s are 24. Write 24 here. So this will become what? 6, 7, 476. No, not 476. You should get something else. Something is missing here. Just wait. 6 into 2 is what? 12. 12 into 2 is 24. So you will write 24 here. Okay, 6, 7, 676. You will get 676 like this. 676. So another any other number. Suppose I want 37 square. 37 square if I want. So 3 square is what? 9. 0, 9. 7 square is what? 49. So this 7 2s are what? 14. Again you do 2. 14 2s are 28. You should not write here. Except this, leaving this one space, you should write here what? What is the value we got? 28. Right? 28 here. Add it. 9. 8 plus 4, 12. This is what? 12. 1, 2, 2, 9. Like this you can find square of any number. Square root, cube root, it is taught in physics. Basic maths, it is not done. Square root, cube root, basic maths is done. In that, is it done? How to find square root and cube root? Cheppara? Okay. Chepparante? Okay. Okay. Aithe nenu cheptanu. Okay, no problem. So try to find square root of 54 square. 54 square, what you will do? See, 1, 6, 25, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. I will write 16 here. 6, 7, 6, 2, 6, 7, 6. That's all. You will get the answer very easily. Clear? You can use it in this calculation when it comes to mathematics, when it comes to area of triangle, all these things. You can use in physics and chemistry also to find the square. Okay, clear? No, this one. Abdul Munaf, Binod. Hi. This question, all of you please look. If the coefficient of x power r in the expansion of 1 plus x square x cube to the power of 100 is ar. Okay, if the coefficient of x square x to the power of r is ar, then s is sum of r running from 0 to 300 ar. They are asking summation of that. Okay, how to find that? So first you have to find the coefficient of x power r. So how to find the coefficient of x power r here? Write down this question, try by yourself. Write down this question, try by yourself. Write down this question, you can try it later. So what they are asking, coefficient of x power r is given to be ar. Okay, they are asking summation of up to 300 terms ar. R running from 0 to 300, summation of ar. Okay, so you have to first find what is that ar. So you have to first find what? The coefficient of x power r. Coefficient of x power r, how to find out? First write general term. General term, how to write for this? This is multinomial, correct na? For multinomial, what is the formula we have? For trinomial I gave, for multinomial we have here. See, I gave for trinomial, for multinomial what you will do? See here, the general term in the expansion of x1, x2, x power x up to xp to the power of n is given by n factorial by n1, n2, np, x1, x2, x power p to the power of np. Okay, where n1, n2, np are n. Okay, where n1, n2, nt are n. So that means what? If you add this, all this, you have to get what? 100. So not 100, you have to get n. Okay, you have to get n. Now look at this and compare with the question that is given. Compare with the question that is given. One plus x square x cube to the power of 100. So this will become what? 100 factorial by what is that? n1, n2, n3. That is what? Here n is what? 0 factorial. This is what? 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. That's all you have to do. That is a general term. Try this by yourself. Try this by yourself. So divided by what is this? n1 factorial, n2 factorial. This is n1. This is n. This is n1, n2, n3. This is what? What is that? X power n1, x y power n2, z power n3, like that. But instead of x, y, z, they were given x, x square, x cube, like that. Clear? Try this by yourself. Okay. You need break or what? Need break? 5 minutes. Okay. And also please write down this question. This question, all of you please write down this question. So how to do this? Written, all of you? Written? Okay. Do you get the idea for this one? Any idea? See, they are given like this, means first you will write it as what? See, A naught plus what is that? We will write it as what? A1 into x plus A2 into x square plus A3 into x cube. We will write it up to here, up to 0 to 100 they were given, na? We will write it as what? Right, up till up to 300, that is A300 to the power of x to the power of 300, we will write it. To the power of 300 we will write it. This will be equal to what? RHS is what? 1 plus x square plus x cube to the power of what? 100. To the power of what? 100. But this is not coming similar to this. Okay, we have to get it in terms of A0, A1, A2 like that. So first what we will do? We will differentiate on both sides. We will differentiate on both sides. We will get it as what? A1 plus 2 A2 x plus 3 A3 x square up till it will go on like this. 300 into A300 into x power, what is this? 299. This will be what? This is more important for me. This is 100 into 1 plus x square plus x cube. So differentiation of what is inside, this will be 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Now I am not getting directly, put the value of x is equal to 1. Put the value of x is equal to 1 here. This will be what? A1 plus 2A2 plus 3A3 up till it will become 300. A300 will be equal to what? This one will become what? 100. This power 99 should come, no? See, this will be in power 99. This will become, what is this? If I put 1, this will be 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 99. This will be what? Into, what is this? 3 plus 2, 5. 6 to the power 6. That's all, no? This will be there, 6. This will be there. Now what I can write this 100 as? 100 I can write it as 25 into 4 into 6 will be there here. This will be what? 4 to the power of 99. Is 4 to the power of 99, 4 to the power of 1. I can write it as what? 4 to the power of 100. So 25 into 6 into what is this? 4 to the power of 100. So 4 to the power of 100 I will get. 25 into 6 is what? 150. So 4 to the power of 100. So 4 to the power of 100 we will take it as what? Sum. This 4 to the power of 100 we will take it as sum. So what we got here? 4 to the power of 100 we will take it as sum. So 150 into this, that is nothing but option 3. That's all. Clear? Option 3 is the right answer. Why I will take this as sum? Tell me. 4 to the power of 100, why I will take it as sum? In the given question, if I put x is equal to 1, what I will get? See, 1 plus x is equal to 1, I will get 4. I will get 4 to the power of 100. I will get this as what? 4 to the power of 100. This itself is yes. This itself is yes. See, if I put x is equal to 1, what I will get here? 4 to the power of 100. This is what I got here. 4 to the power of 100, I will take it as yes. So 150 into yes, that is third option. Clear? Understood everyone? Got it? So this is the way we have to solve this. Please write this down. Please write this down. If you have doubt, you can ask me. This is just the expansion. So they have asked from 0 to 300. That is what I have done. A0, A1x, A2x square up till A300, x300. I have taken it. That is nothing but equal to whatever is given there. Okay, whatever is given there. Then I will take this as what? I will differentiate both the sides and I will put x is equal to 1. Okay. Then I will put this value here. X is equal to 1 here. So 4 power 100 will be equal to yes. Okay, that is what they have told. This is nothing but equal to 0 to 300. That is nothing but equal to yes. Okay, clear? So to 150 into yes. See, this question little bit tricky, I know, but with practice you have to get it. Okay. You will use the word practice, no? That's why I am telling. So clear to all of you this one? So whenever they give such question, write the general term, differentiate both the sides, put the value of x is equal to 1. Sometimes you don't even have to differentiate, put the value of x is equal to 1, you will get the answer. Clear? So these methods only we are following for most of the questions. Clear? Understood this one? 150 into yes. Binomial theorem you have to practice more. It's not just about practice, you have to revise the concepts, where to apply what, then it will be easy. Okay, clear? So out of 2 questions, at least 1 question will be easy. One more question, it's not difficult, it will be tricky like this, you have to apply. Clear? Okay. So now 3:55 up till 4:10 we can take a break, not 4:10, 4:05. If I say you will come at 4:10, so up till 4:10 we can take a break. Okay. Write this down. If you are written on, then only you go. First you write down. So you have to come here itself, study our class that you can watch it later. We will be doing integration. What is that? Practice questions we will be doing. All right, we will take break now. So we will meet at 4:10. Fine. Thank you. places. We will continue. We are live. So let us go to integration now. Okay. Okay, let us start with integration. Okay. So please focus. Please write down along with me. The class is started, you have to focus on the class. So when it comes to integration, those 9 standard formulas you must know, and when it comes to parts, I told you the tricks. E power ax into polynomial and e power, e power x into trigonometric function if it comes, and polynomial into trigonometric function if it comes. How to do the shortcut tricks I have told you. Okay, so based on that, see, look at this question. They have asked 2025 this question. You will be easily able to solve. So what you can do first thing, you can separate and integrate e power 4x sin 3x minus e power 4x cos 3x. So this is of the form e power ax sin bx and e power x cos bx, correct. So this is the formula, we will be using it here. So based on that formula, if you solve this, what is the answer you will be getting? So see here, e power ax sin 3x, e power x sin 3x is what? E power, what is that? A square plus b square, e power ax by a square plus b square, that is e power 4x by a square plus b square. 3 square plus 4 square is what? 25, that is 9 plus 16, 16 plus 5, that is 16 plus 9, that is 25, into what is this? A sin, what is that? A sin bx. So that will be what? 4 sin 3x, correct. Minus, okay, integral of this, minus, what is that? B is what? B cos bx. Bx is what? Cos 3x. Correct, na? This is what we are having. For what? E power 4x sin 3x. Now same thing we have to apply for what? E power 4 cos 3x. So this will become what? Minus e power 4x by what is this? What is this? Same thing, 25 into what is this? A cos 3x. A is what? 4 cos 3x plus what is this? 3 sin 3x. Correct, na? 3 sin 3x. Now what I can do, e power 4x by 25, I can take it common outside. So this will become what? E power 4x by 25. This will be what? 4 sin 3x. And what about this? Minus into minus will become what? Minus into plus will become minus. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. We will have sin 3x. Sin 3x. This is minus 3 minus, this is what? Minus 7 cos 3x plus c. Very simple question. See, in 2 steps you will be getting the answer. So what is the option? B option. Clear? Understood how to do? B option. Neha, you are absent for integration class, right? So you will understand if you watch the previous classes. Sahiti understood. Akshaya, Gayatri, Shravani, Sirisha understood. Vaishnavi, got it. Navinita, Bhavani, Siri, got it. How to solve this, you people? This question? Simple. So based on the topic what we have done, they were given 2025. Clear? Clear with this? Can we go to the next question? Just write down the question. Solution you have to do by yourself. Let us go to the next question. Can we go to the next question? Okay. Next question that they have given is, if e power x, if integral of e power x, what is it? X cube plus x square minus x plus 4 into dx is equal to what we are having? E power x f of x plus c. Okay, then f of 1 is equal to what they are asking. Then f of 1 is equal to what is the question? Options are A 0, B 1, C 2 and D is 3. Okay, this is the question. So this is the question we are having. So what we will do, e power x polynomial is given, what we can do, how to integrate this? E power x into polynomial, right? And then you will go on differentiating, correct na? You will go on differentiating and alternate signs you will keep. Plus minus alternate signs. So you will do what? E power x into what is this? X cube plus x square minus x plus 4. This is one thing. Next, plus minus differentiation of this 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Then plus differentiation of this is what? 6x plus 2 minus 6. Correct na? Minus 6 plus c. Okay, that's what you will be having. Now this is what? This itself is what? E power, what is this? F of x. This itself is what? F of x. Okay, but this is what? E power x, f of x. They are asking the value of what? F of 1. So this entire thing is what? F of x. Okay, we have to find what? F of 1. So you have to find f of 1. So this is what? F of x. F of 1 will be what? Wherever x is there, put the value of 1. So this will become what? 1 plus 1 minus 1. That is what? 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus. This is what? 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. This will be what? Plus 8. Plus 8 minus 6. So what will be the answer? 13 minus 10. 3. Option D. Clear? Very simple. Okay, very simple. Don't get confused. Here they are asking f of 1. They are not asking this one. E power x, f of x plus 1. So this is what? F of 1. You will get the answer like this. Clear? Understood? So this is 2024 TS. If you are done, can I go to the next question? Okay. Next question will be, please write down, very important and very nice question. They were given e power sin x into sin 2x minus 8 cos x by 2 sin x minus 3 whole square, what is it? Dx is equal to what? Is equal to what? This is the question. Options are A, e power sin x into sin x minus 3 plus c. Okay. B is e power sin x by sin x minus 3 whole square plus c. C e power sin x into sin x minus 3 whole square plus C. D is what we are having, e power sin x by sin x minus 3 plus C, by sin x minus 3 plus C. This is the question. So, this is AP 2025. So, how to approach this question now, tell me. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి మీరు. టీ తాగారు, బిస్కెట్స్ తిన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. అంతే కదా. సో మీరు అదే చెప్పాలనుకున్నారా? ఓకే ఓకే. ఈ పవర్ సైన్ ఎక్స్, sin 2x what I can write, 2 sin x cos x minus 8 cos x by what is this, 2 sin x minus 3 whole square, correct now, whole square. Now I can take cos x outside, instead of cos x I can take 2 cos x, so this will become what, e power, this will be dx, this will become what, e power sin x into what is this, 2 cos x into sin x minus 4 cos x by 2 okay 4 will remain as it is, that's all. So minus by minus 4, this will be what, 2 sin x minus 3 whole square. So 2 cancels. Okay, now we will take what, sin x is equal to t, put t is equal to sin x, dt will be what, cos x dx. Okay, so this entire integral will become what, e power t. Any doubt?
Sin x minus d dt.
That also you can take, that is also not a problem. So this one, this is what, sin x minus 4, I can write it as what, sin x minus 3 minus 1, sin x minus 3 minus 1. So this will become what, I can write t minus 3 minus 1 divided by what is this, t minus 3 whole square dt, whole square dt. Okay, now what I can do, I can separate and divide it, this one. Okay, so this will become what, this will become, see, I will separate and divide it, Akshaya focus. Now this I can separate and divide it, this will be integral of e power t, t minus 3 by t minus 3 whole square. Okay, now minus integral of e power t 1 by what is this, t minus 3 whole square dt, whole square dt. Now what I can do, please focus, t minus 3 I can cancel, I will have what, e power t, okay, e power t, integral of e power t, what is this, 1 by t minus 3 will take common, 1 by t minus 3 minus 1 by t minus 3 whole square dt. Now it is of which form? Yeah, 1 by x square is what, 1 by x is what, minus 1 by x square, integral of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So 1 by x is, this is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 3, it is nothing but minus 1 by t minus 3 whole square. So f of x, f dash of x, e power x into e power t into f of x, f dash of x. So that is nothing but what, e power t into f of t. F of t is what, f of t is what, 1 minus 1 by t minus 3. So this I can write it as what, e power t, what is that, f of t is what, e power t f of t plus c. That is nothing but what, f of t is what, e power t, f of t is 1 by t minus 3 plus c, that is e power sin x by 1 by sin x minus 3 plus c. Okay, what is the option? D option. Simple, understood na? See, just you have to simplify, modification, manipulate in the beginning, you will be able to solve. Understood? And my key step is this one, writing t minus 4 as what, in the form of denominator. Always in integration, whatever is in the numerator, you have to try to bring it to the form of denominator. If 1 is there, you will do what, plus or minus x, you will write plus x minus x. If in denominator 1 minus x is there, means in numerator x is 1 is there, means what you will do? You will do 1 minus x plus x, like that. Like that you have to do the manipulation in the numerator. Clear? Understood this question? All of you understood? So 2025 they asked this question. Okay, let us go to next one. We are doing all this live here. Hi, all this thing I can see. Okay, fine, no problem. Next one, take up this question. Integral of root of x minus 2 by 2x plus 4 dx is equal to what? Okay, so AP 2025. AP 2025. AP 2025. So you have to solve this by yourself. Okay, I will not be writing the options, you will be able to get it. Okay, so this definitely will come in the test for you, I am telling you. Okay, next is what? That's why I am not solving, you have to solve by yourself. Next is what? Integral of log x whole cube. Okay, integral of log x whole cube into x power 4 dx. X power 4 dx. Okay, log x whole cube into x power 4 dx. This is also 2025 AP. So options are given, but let us solve directly. Options are too big. So they have given log x whole cube x power 4 dx. So how to solve this? X minus 2, this one. I am talking about this. This one what you will take? X minus 2. Okay, what you will do this for this one? So 2 you can take outside. Okay, x plus 2 it will become. What you will take for t? T you will take it as x minus 2. You can take t is equal to x minus 2. You will get the answer. So x plus 2 will become what? Same thing. You have to change the value. That's all. This is simple. This is simple. What is this? Your board exam substitution method. That's all. You will get it. You will be able to get it. This one. Now see this question. Log x whole cube x power 4 dx. That's what. Whenever log x comes, take that as t. So t is equal to log x. So x is equal to what? E power t. So dx is equal to what? E power t dt. E power t dt. Correct na? This is log x. Now x power 4 is there. So this implies x power 4 is what? E power 4t. E power 4t. Now this will become what? Integral of log x means t. Correct na? Log x means t cube into x power 4 means what? X power 4 means what? E power 4 t. So dx is what? E power t dt. Correct no? So this will become what? E power 5t into t cube dt. E power 5t into t cube dt. So this is nothing but what? Exponential and what? Polynomial. So same like the first question which we solved today. This one. So what we can write this? This I can write it as what? E power 5t by 5. You will write the first one. You should write the same function. This is plus minus. What is this? 3t square by 5 by 5. Next plus 6t by 5 square. Next is what? Minus 6 by 5 cube plus c. Plus c. Now this question, what we can do here is, now what we can do here, so if I take based on the option we can solve. So here what we can do, e power 5t, t what we can do, e power 5 log x, t is log x we have taken. So this will become what? E power 5 log x by 5 into what is this? Log x whole cube minus 3 by 5 log x whole square plus 6 by 5 square or 25 log x minus what is this? 6 by 125 plus c. Let me look at the option what they have given. See, the answers are fine, but here instead of e power 5 log x, what they have given is, they have given x power 5. How we can write x power 5? We know that e power t is what? X. So e power 5t will become what? X power 5. So instead of e power 5t, what I can write? X power 5. So based on the option, you should not get confused. So I can write here what? X power 5. That's all. So later I can modify like this. In the beginning, write what? See, I should write it in this step. This should be e power. This is what? This is e power 5t by what is this? 5 itself. But here instead of e power 5 log x, I can write what? I can write this as x power 5. See, even if I write e, what is this? E power, what is this? What is this? I wrote 5 log x. Correct na? To the base e, if I write it, this will become what? 5 if I send here, x power 5. Okay, I can write it like this. So this will become what? X power 5 by 5. Understood? Understood how x power 5 came? Not understood or not? Understood. See here, this is e power 5 log x to the base c. Otherwise, if you are not going like this, I am telling, this will become what? 5 if I send it, this will become log x to the power of 5 to the base c. This is nothing but equal to x power 5. Okay, that's all. So 2025 question, easily you can solve. All are coming based on the methods we have used only. So integration, you should be able to solve most of the questions. Clear? Next question. You writing it down or done? Write down first. You people in the hostel, whoever studies or not, you have to come in here and study. They'll come, talk and go. That doesn't matter for you. You have come for studying, you people study. Okay, that's all. మీకు కాదు, బాయ్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. మీరు ఎలాగో చదువుతారు నాకు తెలుసు. బాయ్స్ కొంతమంది చదువుతారు, కొంతమంది చదవరు. వీరైతే చదువుతారు నాకు తెలుసు. So don't get disturbed by them. You have less time. Come and study. That's all. So until I come, it will be till 7 o'clock. Once I come, we can extend the time. So today onwards, you go at 7 only. Today 7. I have my train is at 7. I have to leave by 6 or 6:30. So clear? Done with this? Next question. Integral of dx by sin x cos x is equal to what? Okay, 2021 AP. See, almost last 5 years we are doing questions. So this will be what? Options are A, this is what? Log mod sin x plus C. B is what? Log mod cos x plus C. C is log tan x plus C. D is log cosecant x plus C. Revise the important results which you have made a note. See in your notes what are the things that should be there. Formula should be there, important results and tricks and shortcuts that should be there. Okay, and very important steps. When I say these are the key steps, that steps should be there in your notes. If you revise that, that is more than enough. Okay, then if you practice, that is good. Okay, see, this is what is given. Now what we can do? There are various ways to solve a question, but we have to go as per the option also. In integration you may get different answers, but see here what we can do here. Multiply and divide by 2. So that will give you sin 2x. That will become what? Cosecant 2x. Integral of cosecant 2x is what? Log of sin x. Secant x is okay. Integral of secant x is what? Log of secant x minus tan x plus tan x. This will become what? But here 2x is there, na? But here 2 by 2. See, this will become what? Log of cosecant 2x minus cot 2x by 2. It will become no. But here in the option it is not there, no? How to do that? So that method we cannot follow here. So what we will do is, we will divide and multiply. Whenever we get like this, Divide and multiply by cos square x. Cos square x you do it. If you divide and multiply, what will this become? 1 by cos square x by what is this? Sin x by cos x by cos square x. So cos x cancel. This will become what? This will become integral of secant square x. What will this? Sin x cos x will be remaining. So tan x will be there. So integral of what is this? F of x, f dash of x. Log f of x mod f of x plus c, that is log tan x plus c. Correct na? The answer will be your third option. Clear? The answer will be third option. Clear? Understanding? See, integration is a tough chapter, people think, but with more practice you will be able to solve such questions also. Just you have to know the methods. Okay? And definite integrals, there if you use the property you will get the answer. Indefinite integration you should know various methods and also shortcuts. Okay, still so many shortcuts are there in integration, differentiation, all these things. I will be giving it to you, but as of now learn this. Okay. Some days I will be taking classes only for shortcuts. Okay, there are numerous shortcuts, but it is not about knowing the shortcuts. You should know where to apply. Knowing the shortcuts is different. You should know where to apply. Knowing the formula results are different. You should know where to apply. Already you know the concepts, theory. It is not like something new I am teaching. Already you know. But here we are applying for the questions. For M.C.E.T. it is, that is what, EAPCET it is what, you are applying what you know. There you used to just write what you know. Here you have to apply what you know. That's all. That is the only difference. Clear with this question? Can we go to the next one? Okay. TS 2025. Integral of 1 minus log x by 1 plus log x whole square to the power of whole square dx. Options: 1 by 1 plus log x whole square plus c. B is log x by 1 plus log x by, what is this? 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x whole square plus c. C is x by 1 plus log x whole square plus c. So d is what? X square by 1 plus log x whole square plus c. This is what we are having. So how to solve this question? So that's all. So take t is equal to log x. So e power t is equal to x. E power t dt is equal to dx. Correct na? So now we will take this as what? 1 minus, what is this? Log x means t. 1 minus t by 1 plus t square. Okay. This is what? Whole square into what is this? Dx is what? E power t dt. E power t dt. Correct na? E power t dt. 1 plus t square is there. Whole square is there. Let the whole square be like that. Now what we can do here? This one. Okay, otherwise what we can do, we can separate it 1 by 1 plus t square minus t by 1 plus t square, this entire thing whole square, into e power t dt. I can do it or not? I can keep it like this. Now see here what we can do. 1 by 1 plus t square. Okay, this is what? T by, if I write this, what I will be getting? See, if I divide and multiply by 2, what I will be getting? F of x, what I will get? This is what? For this what I will get? This is f of x by f of x minus f dash of x. Let me check this question once. Okay, otherwise first only we'll expand. Otherwise first only we'll expand. If I expand, what I'll get? 1 plus t square minus 2t by what is this? 1 plus t square whole square into what is this? E power t dt. Now integral should be there. This second right here was what? 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square, I can write it separate. Okay, this will become what? E power t, integral of e power t, this is what? 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square whole square minus what is this? 2t by 1 plus t square whole square dt. Correct. Now if I cancel this, what I'll have? This will become e power t 1 by, only one time it will be 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square whole square, what is this? dt. So 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. Okay, but this t square is also there, so this will become what? 2t. So this is what? E power t, that is what? E power t f of x plus f dash of x. E power t f of x f dash of x. See, if I have to differentiate d by dt of 1 by 1 plus t square, this is nothing but what? This will be 1 by 1 plus t square, this is nothing but what? Minus 1 by 1 plus t square. This is what? Derivative of t square is what? 2t. So that is what I got here. So this I can write it as what? Integral of e power t f of x plus f dash of x dx. So this will be what? E power x. This is what? E power x f of x plus c. So in terms of t, this will become what? E power t 1 by 1 plus t square plus c. So e power t is what I took? Log x. So t is, e power t is nothing but equal to x. Correct na? That is nothing but equal to x into 1 by 1 plus t square is what? 1 plus log x whole square, 1 plus log x whole square plus c. Which option? C, option C. Option C. Understood how to do? You have to be very careful while choosing the option. See, x square is there, x is there. In hurry, don't go for x square. After solving everything, don't do this what silly mistake. Just be very careful while choosing the option. Here x is there, x square is there. Don't by what? Don't do the mistake by mistake. What is that? By mistake, if you go for x square, complete answer is gone. You have got x there, but if you go for x square, you will go. What? Time is lost and marks is lost. So don't do that mistake. X. See, that's what they were given closely here. Okay, got it. This is x. Done? Understood this question how to do? So you are doing most of the questions by substitution, and then we are using the tricks. Next one is, I'll write the question, you have to solve it. There was 2025 only, 2025 TS. Okay, the question that is given is integral of e power minus x into x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 dx is equal to what? I will not give the options, please try this by yourself now. I want you people to do this now. Who will come and do on the board? Who will come and do on the board? These of which form, first of all, tell me? You know the method. Then come and do on the board, any one of you. Will you do? Okay. Who will do? Gayatri will do on the board. Then who will do? Siri? ఇక్కడ వచ్చి చేయాలి అంతే, ఇంకేముంది మేడం? మీరు చేస్తారా? అదే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చేయండి. Bhavani, come and do on the board. Nothing, just solve on the board what you are doing there, that's all. Nothing will happen, come. ఏం లే, మిస్టేక్ అయితే నేను చెప్తాను కదా. కమ్ కమ్ అండ్ డూ వాట్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఫాస్ట్ కమ్. Nobody should say no, everyone has to come from next time. I have told you. हाँ. Think that you are solving alone, nobody is there in the class, just solve. That's it, very good. Plus 1 plus C. That's all, very good. That's perfect. You have to clap, no? She has solved everything. Just okay. Okay, good. So 2025 question you are able to solve. All of you could solve, I feel. Okay, you asked some doubt now. What is it? ఏంటి ఇది ఇది ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను ఫస్ట్ చేయండి ఓకే గాట్ ఇట్ దిస్ వన్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ సో సేమ్ థింగ్ జస్ట్ యూ టు డూ దిస్ క్లియర్ సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ విచ్ ఫార్మ్ e power ax f of x, that is what e power ax by a into f of x minus f dash of x by a plus f double dash of x by a square, like that. Okay, here a is what? Minus 1, that's all. Okay, clear? Can we go to the next question? Okay, very important question and very nice question as well. So they have given integral 3 power x x log 3 minus 1 by x square dx. This is 3rd May 2025 TS. Option sir, option M please focus. X into 3 power x plus c. Option B is 3 power x by x square plus c. Option C is x square 3 power x plus c. Option D is 3 power x by x plus c. 3 power x by x plus c. Okay, this is what we are having. Okay, this is the question that is given. So here what we have to do, 3x లోపలికి మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. తర్వాత వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, థింక్ హర్షద్, థింక్ శరణ్, థింక్. 3 power x ఉంది కదా, దానిలో ఏం చేయాలి, 3 power xని టీ తీసుకోవాలా, దేన్ని టీ తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ, లాగ్ 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 3 అయితే టీ తీసుకుంటే 0 అయిపోతుంది కదా. నో, షీ జస్ట్ థింకింగ్, డోంట్ నీడ్ టు లాఫ్. ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ 3 power x, సి దీన్ని ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే చూసుకోండి. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్. 3 power x into x log 3 minus 1. So 3 power x is there for here also. This I can write it as what, by x into what I can write here, into x dx. Now I will take what, this entire thing I will take it as t. So t is equal to what, 3 power x by x. 3 power x by x. So dt will become what, I have to apply what, u by v rule here. So denominator will become what, x square, x into 3 power x is what, differentiation of 3 power x is what, 3 power x log 3, 3 power x log 3 minus 3 power x into differentiation of what is this, x is what, 1. So what I can do here, 3 power x I can take common, this will become what, 3 power x into x log 3 minus 1 divided by what, x square dx. You are getting complete as what, this entire thing you are getting what, this entire thing you are getting dt. So this integral will become what, integral of dt, not 0, integral of what is it, dt. Okay, dt will be equal to what, see this will become what, integral of what is this, what is this, 3 power x by x, 3 power x by x square. See 3 power x by x square is also coming here only. So dt is equal to dx we are getting. See this entire thing is dt. So 3 power x is also there, x square is also there, entire thing is coming here. So how t will come, t won't come, t will not come here. See here, once you integrate this or differentiate this, you are getting entire thing here. This entire thing is coming as dt. So write dt. Okay, 1 dt is what, t. Okay, what is the value of t, 3 power x. This is what, t plus c, that is nothing but what, 3 power x by x plus c. Option D, that's all, very simple, understood. It appears difficult, but once you know this, it is this one. So a power x, integral of a power x is what, a power x by log a, differential of a power x is what, a power x into log a. So based on that also question has come. So understand how they are asking the question, they are focusing mainly on log, all these things, e power x, all these things. So these formulas you have to know. Clear, understood how to solve this, clear, got it? Understood how to do this? Nice question. So when they give such theme again, directly you should be able to do it. Okay, just because we are taking t is equal to something doesn't mean that always t has to come. Okay, here it is what, integral of dt, that is 1 dt, 1 dt is what, t plus c. So t is what, 3 power x by x plus c. Clear, understood everyone? Anusha, Neha, Spandana, Ritika, Shravanti, Bhavani, Akshaya, Harsha and Sharan. Clear? Gayatri, understood? Okay, fine. Let us go to next question. They have asked integral of log x only log x whole cube dx, integral of log x whole cube dx. So TS 2024 they have asked this question, integral of log x whole cube dx. So what you will do? So please try this. So log x you will take it as what? T, correct na? So tell me what I should do. T is equal to log x. So e power t is equal to what? X. So e power t dt will be equal to what? Dx, kada? Dx. So wherever dx is there, we have to write what? E power t dt. Log x is there, I should write t. So this will become what? E power t t cube dt, correct na? Again it is of the form e power something into polynomial. So we will do the same method. Otherwise, if you don't know that method, you have to apply parts again and again. That will take a lot of time. Instead of that, we will use our method. First e power t, this whatever the function is there, write it as it is, plus minus 3t square plus what is this? 6t minus t, minus 6, sorry, this should be minus 6. Okay, minus 6. Next e power t, we have to do what? We have to do the substitution. Okay, so based on the question e power t, you will write it as what? X. E power t, you will write it as what? X. T cube means what? Log x whole cube minus 3t square means log x whole square plus 6 log x minus 6 plus c. Very simple. Understood no? How to do this? Understood till here? Any doubt? And most importantly, when I am doing class, see, it's important that you write it down, but without understanding, don't write down. Any doubt you have, you mark it. If I can't address the doubt at that time, you mark it, you have to ask after the class. Okay, don't keep the doubts with you, you have to ask me mandatorily. Okay, next thing. We are having TS 2023, they have asked this question. Okay, integral of 1 by 16 minus 7 sin square x dx. Just tell me the approach what to do. Just tell me the approach what to do. All of you focus. What we can do here? 7 common. Very good. 7 we should take outside. 7 we should take outside. So this will become what if I take 7 outside? This will become what? 7 we should take outside. What we should take? 16 we should take outside. 16. This will become 1. So 16 we will take outside. 16 if I take, this will become 1 minus 7 by 16 sin square. Correct na? 1 by 16. This will become what? 16 I will take outside. The approach is good. So this will become 1 minus 7 by 16 sin square x. Now what I will do? I will divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos square x. Cos square x. Here sin square is no, divide by cos square x. So if I divide numerator by cos square x, I will get what? This will be 1 by 16 into what is this? Secant square x minus by 1 minus what is this? 7 by 16 tan square x. 7 by 16 tan square x. This is what I will be having. Okay, tan square x dx. Tan square x dx. Now tan x is equal to t. I can take it. Okay, otherwise, which you people don't know, I can take secant square x as what? D of tan x. This tan x will become what? It is nothing like just like t. Okay, otherwise, we will do the same method. T is equal to tan x. So dt will become what? Secant square x dx. So this will become what? 1 by 16 dt by 1 by 1 minus what is this? I can write root 7 by 4. Root 7 by 4. What is this? T square. Root 7 by 4 t square. This is what? 1 by a square minus x square. Correct na? 1 by a square minus x square. What is the formula? Log of a plus x by a minus x. So 1 by 2a, 1 by 16. 1 by 2a is what? See, root 7 by root 7, this will be root 7 by 4, no? Root 7 by 4 this will be. So 1 by 2a into 1 by 2 times a. A is what? Root 7. 4 will go up. Okay, 4 will be up. Correct na? 4 will be up into what I can do this? This one 2 2s are, this 2 1s are, 2 8s are. I can write here 1 by 8 times root 7 into log of what is that? A plus x. What is that? Root 7 by 4 plus 1. So that is what? Root 7 by 4, 4 will cancel. Root 7 t plus a plus x means what? This will be plus 1 will become what? Plus 4. Plus 4 by a minus x will become what? Root 7 t minus 4 plus c. By 4 will get cancelled. So wherever t is there, what I should put the value? ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ okay. So secant square x, okay, let me think. So secant square x, okay, so that way if we take it that way, secant square x will come. Okay, so what we can do here then? So this is what we'll have. So 1 minus 7 by 16 sin square x. So what we can do here? So divide by sin square x only. Divide by sin square x. If you divide by sin square x, what you will get? If you divide by sin square x, you will get what? What you will get? Cosec square x. If you divide by, this will be cosec square x, this will be what? But that will not be helpful. You do cos square x only. You do cos square x. This will be secant square x minus this. Correct now? Otherwise, what we will do? Instead of taking common, what we will do? 16 divided by cos square now. Divided by cos square, you will get what? 16 secant square x minus 7 sin square x or 7 tan square x. Okay, 7 tan square x. So this will be what? Secant square x dx. Correct na? Secant square x dx. Now this one 16 secant square x, I can write it as what? 16 into 1 plus tan square x. 16 plus 16 tan square x. 16 minus 7 is what? Let me write one more steps. 16 tan square x minus 7 tan square x. This will be what? Secant square x dx. Correct? Secant square x dx. Then this will become what? Secant square x dx. Secant square x dx by what is this? 16 minus 7 is what? 9. 16 plus 9 tan square x. 16 plus 9 tan square x. Now we will take what? T is equal to tan x. If I take t is equal to tan x, you know that directly I will get dt by 16 plus 9. What is this? T square. Now I will take 16 outside. 16 if I take outside, this will become what? Oh, okay, 9 only, let us take outside. If I take 9 outside, this will become what? 1 by 9 into what is this? 1 by what is this? 4 by 3 whole square plus t square. So this is what? 1 by a square plus x square. Okay, so that will become what? 1 by a into tan inverse of a, tan inverse of x by a. So 1 by 9 into what is this? 1 by a. 1 by a is what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into tan inverse of x by a. X by a means this will become what? 3 by 4 t. 3 by 4 t. Okay, that will be what? 1 by 9. This is 3 1 3 3. This will be what? 1 by 12. Correct na? 1 by 12. Tan inverse of 3 by 4 into t. T is what? Tan square x. 3 by 4, you write it as what? Tan square x. That's all. Okay, that's all. Clear? Understood? Green paper G8K. Are these questions? Green paper G8K. What is this? Are these questions important for Sunday's test? Which Sunday's tests? I don't know about which Sunday's test, but they are definitely important for your final EAPCET exam. Okay, this type of questions definitely they have come already. This is what we are doing. These are previous year questions. Yes, they may be important. I may give similar type. If you understand the pattern approach, whatever question will come, you can do. But if you by heart, you can't do. Which I am sure you are not doing. You are trying to understand. I get that. Okay, next question. We are having integral of 1 by 2 cos x plus sin x whole square dx. This is TS 2025. Options are 1 by 2 plus tan x plus c. B is minus 1 by 2 tan x plus 1 plus c. B is cos x by cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. D is cos x by 2 cos x plus sin x plus c. This is what we are having. Okay. Now, how to solve this question? What is the approach? Please tell me the approach. What is the approach I should follow? Here also divide by cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Okay. Divide by cos square x. So, if I send cos square x inside, this will become what? Cos x whole square. So, here numerator will become what? Secant square x dx. This will become what? 2 cos x by cos x plus what is this? Sin x by cos x. What is this? I can write whole square, no? What I should do? See, if I divide entire thing by, see here. Okay, let me keep it like this. So, this will be what? 2 cos x plus sin x whole square divided by, if I do cos x, cos square x. Cos square x is nothing but what? Cos x whole square is nothing but cos square x only. Cos square x is nothing but what? Cos x whole square. Correct na? Cos x whole square. This entire thing I can write it as whole square? I can write it as whole square. This will become what? If I write this entire thing as whole square, so this will become what? Cos x. This entire thing will become whole square. Now separate and what is this? If I divide this, this will become what? Secant square x dx by what is this? 2 plus tan x whole square is there. Okay, let it be like this. Now we will take what? Tan x is equal to t. Secant square, once it comes, we will take tan x is equal to t. So t is equal to tan x. dt is equal to what? Secant square x dx. Correct na? So we will get dt. So dt by what is this? 2 plus t whole square. 2 plus t whole square we are having. So how to solve this now? Integral of 1 by 2 plus t whole square. Tony em cheyali? Root 2. See, that you can write it as what? 2 plus t square is there, means you can do. Numerator lo? X power n. That also you can do. So that will become t square. That also you can do. That also you can do. Whatever is within the bracket. Okay. That is, let us try that also. We will take t is equal to what? T is equal to what? 2 plus tan x. dt will become secant square x. So this entire thing will become what? T square. That is even more easy. So t square. Otherwise also still you can solve. What you do? Expand and do it. That's all. Okay, expand and do it. So if you expand this, you will get what? 2 plus tan square x, 4 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x. Okay. So still you can do it. So 1 by t square dt. 1 by t square dt is what? You can write it as t power minus 3 dt. This can be written as what? T power minus 2 by what is this? Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. By minus 2 plus c. Okay. So what did I write? Where? Oh, okay, here. Okay, I am writing directly. This one will become what? T power minus 2 dt. This will become what? T power minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. This will become what? Minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by t plus c. Correct na? minus 1 by t plus c. Anyways, directly we have the formula for this also. When I gave the list of formulas, this formula was also included. Okay, you can write minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by t. Minus 1 by t is what? T is what? 2 plus tan x. So this can be written as what? Minus 1 by 2 plus tan x plus c. Which option? 2 plus tan x. Let me check the options once. See here, minus has to come for this one. Now it is fine. Okay, now it is fine. Clear? Understood the approach? That is the only answer we can get here. Okay, that is the only answer we can get here. Clear? Got it? Understood this question? How to do? Now, one more. See here, integral of 1 by, what is this? X plus 1 into root of x square plus 4 dx. TS 2024. Okay, 2024 they have asked this. So what is the approach I should follow? X plus 1 is there, x square is there. So what we should do? X square you take it outside. X square you take it outside, I have told you. X square if you take it outside, you will get what? See 1 by x plus 1 into this will become what? X square if you take it outside, this will become x. This will become what? Square root of, what is this? 1 plus 4 by x square. Correct now? 4 by x square. So this will be what? 1 by x plus, what is this we are having? Integral of 1 by, what is this? X plus x square plus x. X square plus x into what is this? 1 plus I can write this as what? X square plus 4, or let it be like this, 1 plus 4 by x square. This is what we are having. Correct na? Now what we can do? What we can do here? What is the method we can follow? Or you can take directly also x square plus 4 is equal to x square plus 4 is equal to t. That way also you can take it. T square also you can take. Now if I take this as what? 1 plus 4 by x square, if I take it as what? T. So dt will become what? See, instead of doing all this, still I can do it this way. What we can do here? Substitution. X square plus whatever is within the square root. X square plus 4 is equal to what? What we can take? T. We can take t. So dt will become what? 2x plus 2x. That's all. Dt will become 2x. But x is not there here. Or we will take t square. Power 1 by 2. You take x square plus 4 is equal to t square. You will get what? 2t into what is this? 2t into dt will become what? 2x. Okay, 2x dx. Okay, 2x dx. Otherwise, still what is the method we can follow for this? X square plus 4. See, otherwise, see here, it's very simple. X plus 1 into x square plus 4 to the power 1 by 2. Take x outside. This will become what? X plus 1 into what is this? X is equal to x square. If I take it outside, this will become 1 plus 4 by x square to the power of what? 1 by 2. Okay, we are having this as what? In denominator we are having. So this will be having here. 1 will be here. X plus 1. 1 by
T.
1 by t.
X plus 1 by T.
1 by t la. Yeah, the linear can be taken like this. This is linear into quadratic. So you remember, that's why you can take it px plus q. So if you don't know that method, you use this. Okay. So this is what linear into quadratic, correct na? Linear into quadratic, what I can take? X plus 1 is equal to what? 1 by t. So what I should apply here? So this dx will be equal to what? 1 by t. This if I differentiate, what will this be? Minus 1 by t square dt. Minus 1 by t square dt. Now minus 1 by t square dt. So dx will be equal to minus 1 by t square dt. This will be what? 1 by t. Correct na? X plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. So you will get what? T will go up. T will go up 1 by t. This will be what? Square root of x square plus 4 will be what? So x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. What will happen to x square plus 4? What will happen to x square plus 4? See, this will become what? X is equal to 1 by t minus 1. Okay, x is equal to 1 by t minus 1. So x square will become what? 1 by t minus 1 whole square. Anyways, I have told the method in the class. You do it using that method, that's all. I have told the method. What is the method I have told? You just go through that. X power. What is the method that I have told you? ఎక్కడుంది అది చూపాలి కదా ఎక్కడుంది అని లేదా అక్కడ to take this, try this by yourself, take this. తర్వాత see, if quadratic into quadratic is there, then you will take 1 by t, no? If quadratic into quadratic is there, then you will take 1 by t. But this is linear into quadratic. See here what is written? Quadratic, yes. But here what you have written? Quadratic into quadratic is x is equal to 1 by t. You have written. Linear into this form, what we have to take? 1 by t. 1 by t, that is what we have taken. Okay, after that what is the method I told? What is the method I told you? Okay, you will get it this method. Okay. So use that method and you try by yourself. Okay. So what is the method I have told you? So linear is equal to 1 by t, then x will become 1 by t minus 1. Then apply that and you can solve this. Okay, you try this by yourself, this question. Okay, you have to try this by yourself. See, options will be 1 by 2 square root of x plus 1, x plus 2 plus c. Option B will be what? Log of mod x plus 2 by x plus 1 plus c. Option C will be minus 1 by root 5 sin h inverse of 4 minus x by 2 times x plus 1 plus c. D is 1 by root 5 cos h inverse of 4 plus x by 2 times x minus 1 plus c. Okay, you have to apply completing the square method at one or the other step. Rationalizing also you can do, whatever you want you can do. Okay, you will get it. Okay, clear? Next question. Solving it. Got it? Answer. What is the method you are following?
Dx plus 2 equal to
1 by t. Then what you will do?
100. Differentiation.
Okay. So dx will be equal to what? Minus 1 by t square dt. Then instead of dx, what I should write here? Minus will be outside. Integral of minus 1 by t square dt. This will be what? T. Correct na? X plus 1 is equal to what? This t will come up. 1 t will come up. This t will cancel. Correct no? This t will cancel. We will be having what? Only 1 t here. Okay. So what about root of x square plus 4? What I should write? Root of x square plus 4, what should I write? So x square plus 4 is nothing but what? 1 minus t by t. I am asking you people. X square plus 4, what I should write? Square root of x square plus 4. Square root of x square plus 4. What is the value of x we are getting? 1 by t minus 1. So I can write this as what? 1 minus t whole square by, what is this? T square will be there, correct na? By t I can take it outside. Plus what is this? 1 minus t by t. What is this? I should write 4t square. Correct no? 4t square I should write it. So this t will come out. So this t will cancel. Okay, only 1 t will be left. This t will cancel. We will be having what? Integral of minus 1 by, what is this? Square root of, what is this? 1 minus t whole square plus 4t square plus 4t square dt. 4t square dt, something like this you will be having. So try this form. Okay, try this form by yourself. You have to try this. Understood? It will cancel. So try this form and you will get the answer. So if you expand this, you can cancel certain things. You will get the value. Clear? Understood? Answer? Okay, try by yourself. You have to take time. No problem. Everything I will not give the answer. You try this for this one. You try this question, all of you. Next question. They have given integral of dx sin x plus cos x, okay, TS 2021. Okay, dx already I have written. This is equal to, okay, how to do this? Approach is what? What is the approach for this question? Divide by cos x. Otherwise, we know this method. Put tan x is equal to, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Tan x by 2 is equal to t, correct na? So sin x will be equal to what? That's all. Put the values. Correct no? So this one will cancel. We are having what? 2t plus minus t square. We have to do completing the square method, we will get the answer. So you have to eliminate minus. So this will become what? Minus 2 dt by, what is this? T square minus 2t minus 1. So you will add and subtract plus 1. So this will become what? Minus 2. This will become dt by t square minus 2t plus 1 square minus 1 minus 1. Correct na? So this will become t minus 1 whole square. T 1 by t minus 1 whole square minus 2 whole square, that is minus root 2 whole square. Okay, minus root 2 whole square. This is 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by a square minus x square is what? Tan. 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Here a is what? Root 2. So this will be equal to what? Minus 2. 1 by 2a. 2a is what? 2 times root 2. Okay. Log of x plus a, t minus 1 plus root 2 by t minus 1 minus root 2 plus c. So this will cancel. Minus 1 by root 2. What is this? Log of t is what we took? Tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 minus 1 plus root 2. Tan x by 2 minus 1 minus root 2 plus c. This is the way you solve this. Okay, got it? Understood? And you have to try this question by yourself. Integral of square root of x square plus 2x dx. Okay, TS 2021. TS 2021. Integral of x square plus 2x, square root of this. Okay, x square plus 2x dx, where x is greater than 0. So what you will do here? So you will do completing the square method. That's all. Completing the square method you do, you will get, there are 3 formulas. Square root of a square minus x square, a square plus x square, square root of x square minus a square. Any of the form you will get it, and you apply the formula. That's it. Okay, clear? Understood? So fine then, you please solve this question. We will end now. Okay, we will meet in the next session when we do. Fine? Thank you. We will meet in the next session and do well in the test. Thank you.